Mr. Jacob, CEO IPSR. Mr. Sudhir, Global Head of Training for NAT. Mr. Nair, other dignitaries, people from the field of IT, placement officers, others. A very good morning to all of you. I'm extremely delighted to be here to inaugurate this important event because IPSR is coming from north to south, and Trivandrum being always a very hospitable town, any IT venture, we are very happy and we gladly welcome that. Technopark does not really confine our IT promotion only within our campus. In fact, if your people in the IT field will know, we equally consider ventures outside as our own ventures, and all the support whichever companies get within Technopark is actually offered to companies outside also. To give an example, from Kerala IT branch, we participate in a lot of international events all over the world, and the space is actually hired by Kerala IT. We pay the money, and we offer our space without any cost for all the companies, IT companies who are interested in participating in such place, whether it is Summit or any other event. That invitation applies to companies outside Technopark also. So anyone who operates an IT firm outside in Kerala is entitled to participate along with Kerala IT in all these events. So this is only one example. Likewise, we are planning to expand all our support to companies because we don't think IT is only confined to Technopark or Infopark and anything. IT is all over. Just because initially it needed a bit of support that Technopark and all came in. And in fact, the growth rate of, I had a look at the statistics of IT growth in the last 2 financial years. In fact, the growth of IT export from the STPA figures which we got is very healthy outside Technopark and Infopark also, which is something which we can be very, very proud of. Because IT outside Technopark is not very well recognized. Everyone thinks if it is IT, it is only Technopark. It is not so. There are a lot of companies, in fact, I think it is about 300 plus companies are actually operating outside Technopark and Infopark, and their growth rate last year has been more than 20%, which is a very silent revolution which has been going on in Kerala, and I would like to congratulate each and everyone connected with that. Red Hat, of course, is when we talk about, as they say, if you think about open source, if you think about Red Hat, and I'm very happy to meet Sudhir. One of the business strategies which of late we have realized which is very important for Kerala is that many of the top firms in the world, most of them, including many Fortune 500 companies, we always have a connection from Kerala, which actually is something which we actually tap. Why not look at Kerala also as a serious point of destination? In fact, the other day we had only last week, we had a very innocuous email from someone asking for some details. When we responded, then subsequently this person who didn't even disclose his background initially, after we responded giving all the positives about Kerala IT, then he says he is actually from somewhere in Central Kerala, and right now he is the Vice President of AT&T in US, and he is actually looking at Kerala as a destination very seriously. So any top, whether it's Oracle or Microsoft or you name it, and we always have a Kerala connection, which I think is a very good business strategy to tap them and ask them, why don't you do something back for the country? It's something which I think is a very sensible model to have, though I should confess I am not in Kerala. Well, now to the function. IPSR has proved their mettle right across Kerala, from Calicut up to Kottayam, up to Cochin, and they have the fact that they have consistently won the RTC award for RHC award for many years. It's a testimony that they have been very sincere about this job. They take it seriously, and I'm sure their venture in Trivandrum is also bound to succeed. And my best wishes both from me as well as from Kerala IT to Jacob and his team. So, and I'm sure this will benefit a lot of our youngsters, because Kerala is one state, as you know, which strongly supports open source also. So I'm sure this is a facility which will be of great use for many of our youth who may be interested in getting a facility here. With these few words, let me wish all the very best to this new venture. I'm also glad in a way that Mr. Iyer, who is a landlord of this house, had actually asked me to find a tenant. So I could find a tenant, IT tenant also for him. So it's a double whammy for me in a way. So thank you very much, and once again thanks to Jacob and Justin for inviting me, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.